Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a VAN68 error in Valorant. So guys, I will show you multiple solutions. So first thing that you will do is you could just simply go ahead and open up your task manager. And then over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the startup apps. Here on the startup apps, you could just simply find the Riot client services. So the reason why it is not working or you're having the error is because this one is disabled. So make sure to enable this one and also to enable the VG trait. Now once you have both of them enabled, you could just simply restart your computer and you should be able to fix the issue. Now another option that you could try is you could just simply search over here into your start menu, services, and then over here guys, you could just simply search for VGC. Here on the VGC, right click on it and you could just simply go ahead and go for properties and make sure that this one is on automatic. So sometimes this is a manual, so make sure it is on automatic. And if the server status is stop, you could just simply click on start over here to have it running, and you could just simply select apply and OK. Once you have done that, right click on it and you could just simply refresh it so you won't have any issue and you should be able to see it as running and you should be able to fix it. Now another option guys is you could just simply go ahead and go for the run on the start menu and you could just simply search for percentage local app data percentage. So we are going to reinstall the Vanguard, so we can do that by just simply going over here and going for the Riot games, right click on it and select delete over here. Now once you have delete that, you would just simply go through the settings and go for the apps, and then here go for the installed apps, and from here you would just simply search for Riot Vanguard as you can see over here and click on this three dot and just simply uninstall it. And once you have uninstalled it guys, you should be able to just simply run the Riot client and automatically it will download back the Vanguard and should be able to fix the issue by just simply logging in into your account.